If I could show you a way to create and sell digital products online in just 1 hour using nothing but free iTools, would you take it? Imagine launching a business that runs 24/7, sells while you sleep, and requires no shipping, no inventory, and no complicated setup. That's the magic of digital products, and today I'm going to reveal step by step how you can create and sell your own in less than 1 hour using artificial intelligence. Stay with me until the end, because I'll not only show you the tools, but also how to start selling immediately even if you've never done this before. First, let's answer a simple question. What are digital products? Digital products are things like planners, ebooks, checklists, templates, and journals that exist completely online. You make them once and sell them over and over again without ever worrying about stock running out. This is why it's one of the most profitable online businesses right now. And thanks to AI, you don't need to be a writer, designer, or tech expert to make them. Step 1 is choosing your niche. Think about what people are searching for. Are they looking for fitness planners, study guides, budget trackers, motivational journals? Use free keyword tools like Google Trends or just type in Etsy search bar to see what's trending. Once you pick a niche, let's move to step 2, creating your content with AI. Go to ChatGoat or any other free AI writing tool and type in a prompt like "Write me a 30-day fitness planner with daily motivational quotes," or "Create a budget template for beginners who want to save money fast." In just seconds, you'll have your entire content generated for you. Copy that text and head over to Canva, which is a free design tool. Step 3 is designing your product. Inside Canva, you can choose from thousands of templates for planners, journals, or workbooks. Paste the text that I generated, customize the fonts, colors, and images, and make it visually appealing. In less than 30 minutes, you now have a finished digital product. Step 4 is exporting it as a PDF. That's your final product ready to be sold. Now let's talk about step 5, selling it. The easiest platforms are Etsy, Gumroad, and Stan Store. On Etsy, you simply create an account, upload your PDF, set a price, and your product is instantly available to millions of buyers. On Gumroad or Stan Store, you can create a digital shop in minutes and even start promoting it on social media. Here's a pro tip: add an attractive product description and use keywords people are searching for, like budget tracker printable or fitness journal PDF. That way, your product shows up in search results and brings you organic sales without paid ads. Now let's recap the whole process so you see how fast this is. Step 1, choose your niche. Step 2, generate content with AI like ChatGoat. Step 3, design your product on Canva. Step 4, export as PDF. Step 5, upload to Etsy, Gumroad, or Stan Store and start selling. That's literally a business created in 1 hour or less. Imagine doing this once a week, creating different products, and building an entire library that earns you passive income every single day. Some creators are making hundreds, others thousands per month, and it all starts with just one product. And the best part, you don't need any investment except your time and creativity. If you want to take this even further, you can use image tools like Midjourney or Dolly to create custom artwork for your journals and planners, making them stand out even more. You can also bundle multiple products together, like a 90-day fitness challenge plus a meal planner, and sell them as a package for a higher price. Opportunities are endless when you mix creativity with AI. Now here's the most important part: stop waiting and start creating. Open ChatGoat, open Canva, follow these steps, and within an hour you'll have your first digital product ready. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more iBusiness ideas, and drop a comment telling me which digital product you're going to create first. I read every single comment and I'd love to hear your ideas. Remember, the earlier you start, the sooner you earn. This is your time to take action, and I just made the whole process 10 times easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.